Morning. Yellow after. Dog, mongrel dog. Rex. Yeah, me more than them Bex. Rex. Rex. Rex, send them a text. You the bone them off the text. That's Rex. Me dog them I want tonight, you know? What do you mean? Dog, Rex! What do you mean? Rex, have your food on them there. See a donkey here. Push through. Donkey. Yeah. Morning, brother. What going? You thought I picture your donkey to show me daughter, you know? Yeah. So you know a donkey and them thing there, you see it? Once you put on the hamper on it, you know? See? Donkey and the hamper. Yeah, you have a mule, look so. I go on, fireball. Good? Good? Yeah. I go on, brother. There, it is. There, man. Yeah. Real, man. Oh, no, remember, yeah, man. Me call to you, man. Me call to you, man. You did?
Oh, yo, General, hail.
Me call me here, man. I'm see how this has come down. Oh, see you here, man. Remember everybody, yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. True. Yeah. Me? No, me them thing again. You get old, you know. Hey, me still have them, you know? Yeah. A big man, I know. I'm looking at my daughter, you know? Yeah. I want me have, man. One, me have, yeah. Morning, brother. Oh, go on, you know. Nothing for this, man. Oh, donkey is our meal. Man, look so small. Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah. Oh. Come here, I was training a grunt when I can load or something. Mm. Want to bring my daughter then next time, you know. So we can put him on back on them something, you know. So donkey, yeah. I put on the amp on the sit them for them. Eh. Yeah, man, eh. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I eat, man. I eat, brother, I eat. Sun warm this morning. Okay, get him thing. Get him ready for the work, you know. people. No.
You already, man.
Drinking competition is about. Now I don't know. I know.
I'm gonna see a drunk, you know.
Yo.
Where you say I'm to you?
Copeland there.
Copeland.
With a band, with a band.
Hey, don't call me that easy,
You jump a rum tree, man. Yeah, you pushing rice though. Yeah. I was in a drunk.
Ain't drunk, man. Youth drunk.
When you drunk so early?
Man, I drink from last night, man. You look on the south of them.
When did I drink? Eh?
Mike.
Yeah. Road Mike the pony. Mike the pony, man.
This is what says me now. Now, what persistent is right now? This is.
Yeah, man, you can't do that, man.
What persistent is now?
If they have a different lens.
No, sorry,
Oh, like you have
Yeah, they can't have a lens from far. I have a lens sweet, you know.
lens that come like another change.
Yeah, you have a lens, you have a magnifying glass on it to pick up far. Isn't it? You good?
I'm good.
Yeah.
No, sorry.
Yeah.
I see young cry and never and them.
What kind of fish that you have in there, sir?
Fish.
Like, man,
What kind of fish that? But you're drunk.
Yeah.
I won't get ground
Come
from
back.
You should have buy a phone.
Yeah, it's a by four. Yeah, brother.
I go and general.
I say, she buy. I don't know. If you don't know, this now you know. It's a great Mr. G here.
Push out TV.
Mr. G, come sing a song for me. This is the great Winky. The world's most greatest, the world's greatest mechanic. I want a tune to go on moon. Yeah. What a tune. Before we send him go on moon. Mr. G, what go on? No, you have to talk in your fine voice, Mr. G. Mr. G, you have to talk in your fine voice. And then I come to me now. Mr. G, where you go, man? No carry him, oi! Hold on, you don't carry him. Don't carry him. Don't carry him. Hey, you know what? Don't carry him. You know that man there? Mr. Walcott. You know that man there? Tell me what you carry. Wiki, come on. No. Yo. Wiki, who you talk to? Eh? Who you talk to? Go look for me good, man. You know me? Try remember who you talk to. Remember who you talk to, man?
Brownie son.
Ah, no brownie son this, man. A rose son this, man.
Rose son.
Yeah, next one for brownie. A rose one this, yeah.
Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah.
Man mount.
Yeah, true, man.
For real, man.
So you're alright, sir.
Me good, man.
Check that.
Alright, yeah, man. Respect. Man, still going, you know, youth. One about 80 now, to see?
Oh, that's the mountain I didn't get on top to a mountain stand.
Yeah. Real, man. Yeah, brother. Be a strange people, you know. Be a strange people, you know.